spicy pickled carrot. And then these are a garlic and dill pickled carrot. Are those your tomatoes? Fall's coming. Fall is probably one of my favorite seasons. I love watching the seasons change. I do wish we had more of a 4 true seasons, like spring, 3 months of spring, summer, winter, fall. We get like maybe a month and a half of fall and maybe 2 to 3 months of summer, if you could call it that. And our winters seem to drag on and on and on. Got some more zucchini from the garden.
Yeah.
Veronica's got some tomatoes and some peas in the bottom. Are those your tomatoes? How many tomatoes you got? Hey. Bella just enjoying the tree before winter hits. When your daughter feels the exact same way about the leaves on the ground as you do. Don't be scared. They're just leaves. They're just leaves. Oh boy. Trying to get some last sun in here before fall hits. Kids are going back to school soon. I'm back to work part-time. Life seems to somewhat be getting back to normal. So we'll see what the fall brings. Whew, 12 degrees Celsius this morning. It's gonna be a little chilly.
I'll grab your kite.
So this is fun. This is usually the crap we get when our weather's changing from either spring to summer or summer into fall. And in the spring it's a nice warm wind. In the fall it's a nice cool wind. Nice. But yeah, it's about 60-kilometer winds today and bright and sunny. Typical fall here in Alberta. Well guys, we're back at it again. We do have to finish the shop before winter this time. The summer kind of got away from us. We just wanted to enjoy it. However, the weather starts getting cold and you realize that you got to get stuff done. Miss Veronica's keeping herself busy. Not sure what she's building, but she's got a task on hand. This wind is just ravaging the trees. So a lot of the leaves have already blown away. And the ones that are remaining. Here comes fall. Look at this rock star. Come on. Fall is in the air. And I don't know what it is, but there's something about fall I absolutely love. It's my favorite season. I do like hot days, but only when you're by the beach or, you know, by the pool with a drink in your hand. Other than that, you know what, those plus 30 degrees Celsius days, take them or leave them. Well, gonna head out to the garden and harvest some carrots and a few other veggies and start the canning process. Carrot harvest so far, a 5-gallon bucket. We still got to do the beets. The pumpkin leaves aren't looking so good. They got some frost and they got some fungus, but we do have some pretty decent sized pumpkins and we're not eating them. We are going to be carving them for Halloween. Some potatoes, but we've been harvesting on and off all year. The squash we already harvested. that's the last of the 5-gallon pail, and then we'll slice them all.
So not too bad. We ended up with 25 jars in total. Turned out pretty good. $12 for the home canning tool set, and 10 or 15 bucks for a bunch of the jars. And pretty happy with the way it turned out. Definitely be doing more of this and planting a bigger garden next year.
And we got even more carrots in here, separated off. Some will be for cooking, just some dinners in the coming week, and a whole bunch more here that I'll be cutting up for my borscht when I harvest my beets. Yummy. So all the small jars are actually like a spicy pickled carrot, and then these are a garlic and dill pickled carrot. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we shall see you guys soon.